What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Cornell. I'm back on this video. And as you see, ain't really been posting lately. I did post on Instagram. If you want to go see what I post on Instagram, my Instagram is iou.nail. And I just want to get the day started. Start off with first day of spring, so you know how this going. First day of spring. I'm gonna go down here, give y'all a first day of spring cold start. Damn, I could walk in this shit for real. It's over with. Don't say nothing about the wheels. Don't say nothing about nothing, because I do have another video coming soon. Just been racked up a lot, I ain't gonna lie. See what it sound like real quick on this nice morning. Yeah. So I'm about to get the wiping off real quick. Okay, car all cleaned off for the most part. It's getting time to get her out now. That was really easier than I thought to get out. So now we're about to head to go pick up my little cousin, and I guess get the day started. So hit y'all on our way there. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I'm kind of flabbergasted, because why in the fuck is it snowing in spring? Like, it just don't make any sense. I ain't gonna lie to you. Today is gonna be a slide day, so just be prepared for the hood red activities on this nice first spring day. I have been holding back content from y'all, but only because I've been trying to get everything ready. I told y'all I was gonna be consistent this time, and I am gonna be consistent. I'm working, man. Working mentally, physically, and emotionally. I got a lot going on, and it's working in my favor, honestly. So just be patient with me. I got a lot of content coming for y'all, shit that I know y'all gonna like. So yeah, I'm just gonna hit y'all up when I go pick them up. Type shit. You recording? Okay. Don't get a girlfriend, guys. That is though. That be doing pain and shit and shit. It's literally all I came in for.
I'm in Cali. If I see out, I'm gonna hit his top. Is you still with them?
Here we go. It's stuck and shit. Might as well get a little more footage while we right here.